got some fast moving showers around. This weather pattern's kind of been on repeat for the past few days, and today we are continuing it with some changes. It's a little less humid, not quite as hot. Let's take a closer look at where we've got some rain right now. We've got some showers around Okeechobee, moving out over Lako. Indiantown, you're getting a bit of rain. We've also had some rain moving through Indian River Estates in the Fort Pierce area, and some spotty rain around Pahokee and Belle Glade, moving out over Lake Harbor right now. Fast moving showers going to continue to be the story throughout the rest of your afternoon. There's really no way to exactly pinpoint where these showers might be, but just know at any given point through our area today, you might be under a shower, but it will move on very quickly. Temperatures right now, a big range. Look at this. It is a rain-cooled 76 degrees in Belle Glade right now. That's a good around 10 degrees cooler than it was yesterday at this time. It's 84 in Fort Pierce, 85 in West Palm Beach. So these temperatures are a few degrees cooler than yesterday at this time. We've got a breeze, and we also have lower humidity. So all of that coupled together is making it feel quite a bit better out there today and through the afternoon than, say, it did yesterday. So we'll be in the upper 80s today. That's right around average, a mix of sun and clouds with the breezy winds and the fast showers. With this same setup, the same weather pattern in control, we're still having the hazardous conditions for beachgoers and boaters, though. So surf is going to be rough. There's a high risk of rip currents. We've got those showers and those breezy winds. So maybe not the best beach day. Same thing for boaters. Small craft caution for boaters currently, but by this evening, that's going to elevate into a small craft advisory along the Treasure Coast. Inland waters are going to be choppy, so you have to be really careful if you're doing anything with the water. We've got Hurricane Leslie out in the Atlantic and a disturbance in the Caribbean we're watching. Leslie staying well away from the U.S. Going to stay a Category 1 hurricane for a little while and then take a turn off to the east through the Atlantic as a tropical storm. No direct impacts from Leslie, but because Leslie's kind of meandering around the Atlantic, it's still generating those very large swells up and down the east coast of the U.S. and even into the Lesser and Greater Antilles, and that is adding to the hazardous beach conditions. We also have this disturbance in the Caribbean. Could see a little bit of development, a low chance of development in the next 5 days here in the Northwest Caribbean, between the Yucatan Peninsula and Cuba. That's something we'll keep an eye on, but it is not something we're particularly worried about for South Florida. Rain chances go up quite a bit Thursday as an influx of moisture moves in, and that's going to linger around into early Friday, but then rain chances will be overall lower for Friday and into the weekend. The breezy to windy conditions do stick around as we head through the week.